Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the parts and removing the worn cups. First, make sure the headset is unplugged and the mic is detached. You don't need extra tools. Lay the headset on a soft surface to protect the finish. Then, locate the seam where the cup meets the frame, grip the cup edge with your fingers, and pull straight outward. Don't twist. This pops the cup off the plastic ring. Once done, check the mounting ring for clips or adhesive residue before moving on to installation. Now you'll inspect the mounting ring and fit the replacement pad. Look for broken clips or foam fragments. Remove debris so the new pad seats evenly. Orient the new ear pad so its groove lines up with the headset's tabs. Start at the top to ensure the positioning is correct. Press the pad's inner lip into the ring, then work your way around, applying even pressure until each clip clicks. Make sure the pad sits flush. An uneven fit causes noise leaks and poor comfort, so adjust as needed. Finish by testing fit and function to confirm success. Reattach the mic, plug the headset into your device, and play an audio track at moderate volume so you can hear seal and balance. Make sure the pads provide a uniform seal around your ears and feel comfortable after a few minutes. Slight shifts are normal, so reposition if necessary. If you hear vibration, uneven sound, or the pad pops off, inspect the clips closely. Replace the ring or clean contacts if you see dirt or damaged clips as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.